Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to put sound effects to your game, and Julian said it there. So where did it go? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Press this. You can skip this part if you want to. So press game. No, name it. Name it. No, we'll just wait for it to load, I think. Okay, now choose the mode you want. Now put it anywhere you want. Okay, now if you want to, you can like delete this whole thing. I'm not gonna do that because this is just a test. So now I'm going to use this. Okay, wait. Now you can make the thingy that you will press to for a sound effect. This is my masterpiece. Now we're going to put it beside the character. Put it anywhere you want. So yeah, basically like that. Just put what you want to do. Now we're gonna press. Oh my god. Sound. Now yeah, we press. Oh my gosh. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. Yeah, press this. Now press sound none. Then put the sound you want. Like yeah. Okay, this is not mine. You can also, but okay, you can also choose your own. You can make your own. I'm gonna show you that later. Wait. What was that? Okay, so that's basically. Oh my god, that's basically how you did it. Also look. So yeah, that's basically how you add the sound effect to the video. Alright, bye!